So guys, what are we gonna do today? I think we should go raid someone's house. That's not a good idea. Why not? Because they're going to call the cops on us. But I think it's a good idea. You know what? Let's actually do it. Let's call up all our friends. Do we have any? Yes, obviously. Alright. Bluebird, you give him a call. Me? Why me? Because you're the most chill one with your friends. That's true. I'm gonna go call them. Alright, now we have to wait. So, Bluebird, did you call everybody? Yep, and they came here already. Bluebird, I think you overdid it a little bit. Why? What do you mean, why? There's like at least 20 more people here. Even Mr. Knuckles, who hasn't appeared in since episode 4. Hi guys, haven't been here. Oh, me too. Yeah, surprise. Hey Shadow, are we still allowed in school? I mean, yes. Well, what are we gonna do now? Are we going to raid this guy's house? Yes, of course. But first we have to do some plans. 45 minutes later. Alright, our plans are finished, so let's go. Well, you heard him. Let's go. I didn't know we were going to do this, right, Orange Bird? Yeah. Oh, Tails, you finally made your first appearance. Well, yes, I did. So now let's go. I'm finally able to talk. Hola, chicos, soy... Okay, we're not gonna talk in Spanish right now, so... Moving on. Hi, guys. Mr. Pumpkin here. Ready for act... I don't wanna go. Why not? Well, stay here, you bitch. You called me a bitch, so I'm going anyways. Oh my god, what is that noise? I don't know, let's go check it out. Let's go. Okay, so what's the big deal? What are you guys doing here? Actually, I don't know. We just decided to come here. So what are you doing here? Can you give us that toilet paper over there? Wait, what? That? But that's ours. That was the last toilet paper in the entire store. I don't care. Give it to us. Well, what are you gonna do about it if I have this? You know that gun automatically points at your face? What are you talking about? Gotta take him to the hospital. Fine, guys, you can take the toilet paper. Oh, goody! So, guys, what do we do now? Actually, I don't know. We should throw a party. Oh, yeah, a party. A party? Yeah. Let's do it, I guess. So, we literally threw a party without any music? Oh, my bad. I forgot to put the DJ on. Well, technically, it's your fault. To the window! Ah! Okay, guys, you happy now? Now, this is something I can listen to. Watch me breakdowns. What do you think? That was like a 7 out of 10. Thanks. My turn. Oh, I'm dizzy. Okay, 6 out of 10. One out of 10. Okay, fine. I don't know what is going on here, but we need some better music. Um, hey Redbird, what? Listen to me say 5 swear words. Okay, fine. What? That's so racist. Wait, what if I just say roll credits? Wait, don't! I'm kidding, we're not gonna end the video that early, alright? Alright guys, let's go up to the bed. If you say so. It's gonna take a while, so I'm going to cut it. It may have taken forever, but everyone's here. Well, I guess... Are we finally finished? We just have to do something. Ooh, I got an idea. You have got to be f***ing kidding me! You have to seriously repeat that joke over and over again. Shh. Red 2.0, calm down. Please, don't rage like some gamers, okay? You know what? You're right. Anyways, do a flip! Final episode coming soon. Wait, guys, are we just gonna stay here? I mean, I don't know. Alright, letters, let's go! Alright, it's time to play my next role on the next episode. Are you gonna have a big role next episode? I don't know, actually. Well, we're gonna find out. Do you guys actually know the release date of episode 10? No. But the only thing I know is that it will be split into 3 parts. Wait, what? It's gonna be split into 3 parts? Yes, because it's the final episode. I guess that kind of makes sense. How did my crocodile come back? Oh wait, this is a different series. We're going home. Wait, what? I think he broke something. Weird. You guys forgot about me, didn't you? Not really. Well, I know I certainly will have a bigger role in the next episode. You'll probably just get like 3 seconds of screen time before you obliterate into the Shadow Realm. Wait, what? I don't think he's going to obliterate to the Shadow Realm. Yeah, me neither. I don't think that's gonna happen. Look at your helmet. Why does it keep falling off? It's way too loose, okay? That's better. Roll credits.